I felt it is the stage right after when you have cried a lot and now you're so weak and you don't have energy and just lying down, keeping your head on the sofa.
Attached to your job, and maybe you're quite attached to the relationship. So, slightly more detail. What exactly happened? Or the option is quite dark. Relation क्या है लड़के?
इनका रिलेशन ज्यादा क्लोज है, लव गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड भी हो सकते हैं.
Do you have any interest in this?
No, at all.
Just random guess. Huh?
Yes.
तो बेसिकली आपको ट्रिक कर रहे थे, तो आप ट्रिक में फंस गए. ठीक है, तो आप फंस गए. So what according to you is happening in the situation? What is it? What happening in your
And
village?
also it may be that
I'll show you the picture for 30 seconds. 30 seconds के बाद image नहीं होगी. So for the next 30 seconds, what you have to do is just observe. उसके बाद ये बताना है कि picture में हो क्या रहा है. What is everyone doing? What's essentially happening in the picture. उसके बाद फिर थोड़े और follow up questions होंगे मेरे. I'll give you a brief. We are from an organization called Road to Recommendation. We train people to become officers. Social experiment type का करते हैं. So we want to test how normally people react. तो होता क्या है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा practice के बाद जो aspirant होता है ना वो trained होता है. Before we proceed, just do you mind if I ask you what's your age?
23.
23. ठीक है, perfect. So different aspirants are generally in that age range only. ठीक है, and we'll conclude at that. So here we go. Time up. So what according to you is being done in the picture? What's happening?
Just think like a child is studying something, having concentration in that.
What is he studying for? If you could elaborate on that, be like.
Maybe he has some boards. Next day.
Interesting. Boards में है तो कौन सा subject पढ़ रहा है? Probably.
I think that it should be SST, like more like history, because reading that thing and imagining that thing in your mind.
Do you have any interest in history?
No,
No.
at all.
Just random guess. Huh?
Yes.
Did you see the violin in the picture?
No.
You did not. There was a book in front of him. Are you sure about that?
Like I am sure about that, but I don't think like.
Achha, what happens in the future after?
Depends like कितने घंटे वो पढ़ता है.
So let's say
कितने concentration से वो पढ़ता है उसके बाद.
उसके बाद फिर क्या होगा?
Exam
Still,
results
results. Will he top the exam or will he be an average scorer?
doesn't look like.
Alright. Thanks a lot. So this is what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
Basic idea is whenever any person sees the picture, okay, so they try to portray themselves onto the character. ठीक है, तो कई बार subconsciously अपना favorite subject या some of the favorite activity they.
It's like mind reading.
Yeah. So yes, basically you're trying to gather your experiences.
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah, but you got to know about my experience, but I want to know about your experience. Like what do you
firstly you missed the violin. Yeah, right. So there's a violin in front of him. It's not a book, it's a violin. Let's say if you play basketball, okay, and you've done playing, you're trying to learn. Right? So then after what you do, you sit down to the basketball. You think about what you've learned, maybe. So maybe he's trying to gather all of that, right? So that next time, from the next session onwards, he might be able to assimilate all of that and put it into his game. Maybe something along those lines. Maybe he won a championship on that regard. So, all right. So here you go. 30 seconds. I'll put it here. Okay. 30 seconds up. So can you please just explain to me what's happening in the situation?
Yeah, I think because like there were two females and a male, so I think with the male it was more about like I may be wrong, but like it may be about like manual labor or something. But like as we see, like one woman is like zoning out, and the other one is holding some books. So
Yeah.
I guess it might be showing like how the differences in like realities are for like a female and a male. Like it looks like more of a traditional scenery to me, like maybe a village ideally. Because like I'm an art student, so like we study paintings and all, right?
Oh, right.
Yeah, so in a lot of the painting, it's more like some like it's a rural scenery. So I think
Okay. And
Yeah.
the actions, what are the actions happening? I mean, you described the image
Yeah.
as it's supposed to be, right? Due to your background, obviously.
Hmm.
But my question is, like, what's happening in this video? What is the action that's
The
happening?
movement, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I think like the guy was with a horse, if I'm not wrong,
Okay.
in the scene, right?
So, what according to you might have happened before this happened? Like, what led to all of?
So like I think like most of the responses must have been like because like the first girl was holding some books, right? So I think the other lady, like I think people would relate it in a way that like she might have not been able to study and all, and she may be longing for something.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how she might be thinking about her responsibilities, I guess.
So, let's say if that was a family setup. If I tell
Yeah.
you that this is a family.
Oh,
Of
it
three
would be
people.
the father, the mother, and the daughter, I
The
guess.
daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what led to this? That is my question. Again, like,
This,
I know I'm repeating it, but
Yeah, I
I
get
didn't get a clear answer first. So that's why.
That is
What according to you, like, according to you, okay, so if, let's say if I play basketball or if, let's say if I do XYZ activity, this is why I would do it. Why is the question?
It might be because of maybe some financial thing. Like they may be living in a residing in a rural setting, and so I think it might be due to like some financial situation. Like usually it's how it like done.
And what
right?
is the girl doing? With
The girl?
the one with the
Oh, she
book
was looking the other way with the books, so she might be on her way, I guess.
on her way to college.
Yeah, maybe some studies or something. Yeah.
And what do you think happens in the future after this happens?
I think she might continue with the study if all goes well. It looks like the parents were trying really. I mean, at least father was shown doing some work.
Yeah.
So like he was trying hard to support the daughter. So it looks like they might be successful in doing that.
Okay. Alright. There you go. Time's up. Right. So let's get to the questions now. Okay. So what do you think is happening?
A girl is lying down there. She's either sad or sleepy. There's a Caesar beside her also.
Which one out of the two? Is she sad or is she sleepy?
Maybe sad.
I
What?
think the same.
You think
Yeah, she seems sad.
she's sad. Okay. And no copying, please. This test is very susceptible to that, right? So you have to give your first responses. Okay. Question is why is she sad? What do you think?
Something very bad. I mean, either relationship issue or something. The way she was lying down and very broken.
Very good. Okay. Interesting. All right.
For me, she's very much stressed because of something.
Something. What is that something? You'll have to define
Something
that.
maybe related to her job or maybe related to her relationship, but she's not broken completely.
And what is exactly happening in the situation? What is she doing exactly?
I felt it is the stage right after when you have cried a lot and you're so weak and you don't have energy and just lying down, keeping your head on the sofa. Feels like that. Yeah.
She's just sleeping. Sleeping it out.
No, not exactly
Probably.
sleeping, but very much, out of energy and tired. She don't want to get up and see anything, just lying down, closing her eyes.
Okay. Okay. Fine. What
Yes.
according to you?
Most or more or less the same, but like she doesn't have anyone to talk to,
Okay.
so she's alone also.
Yeah.
So she's just kind of depressed or sad, and she's lying down, not
I
about
think
to
you
cry,
just-
about
I
to
think
cry,
you
but
just
not
switched
crying.
statements. And you-
No, how?
Because earlier you said she's not broken.
Yes,
Then in the statement you said that she's
I
depressed.
am again saying she's not crying.
Okay.
She's just stressed out. I said stressed out.
And what according to you will happen in the future? Maybe 1 hour, 2 hours later, maybe the next day. What is going to happen?
She might regain all the energy and the normal things, and because she has to do work or the job or whatever she's doing anyway, so even if it is with a fake smile, she has to go on with the things next.
So basically, what we do whenever we see any character in a picture, we try to project ourselves onto that, right? At a very subconscious level, at a very deep unconscious level, right? So whatever reason you find that why she's sad, you get that projects part of your personality. And this is why you would be sad,
Okay.
right? So maybe you're quite attached to your job, and maybe you are quite attached to the relationship. So, we all have different reasons, obviously, right? So, here's the picture. Yeah, just observe for 30 seconds. So, my question: what is happening in the picture?
Like the lady is not happy. She wants
Probably
to
really upset. She's upset.
she wants to go out, or but she can't.
She can't. Okay.
Or she's just waiting for someone to come back, and she's just upset that they aren't coming back. Maybe.
Waiting
What do you think?
for someone like that.
It's like she's feeling sad and like the oppressed types. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Feeling sad and oppressed.
She is economically well because she is wearing good clothes,
Okay.
and she is ailing because she saw someone suffering from something,
Oh, she's ailing. Okay. She's suffering from some kind of a sickness, maybe.
or she maybe is waiting for someone to pick her up.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Right. So why is she standing at the door?
Why maybe she's asking for help.
Help from?
That is someone here who can help me.
Okay. And what, according to you, led to this happening? Right.
Anything in her family, I think. Yeah. Anything in family member, she's upset with her family member, so she's like waiting to go outside or
Can
be
you describe
released.
slightly more detail? What exactly happened?
It feels like she's like upset with some family members or anything, and she's oppressed by them, and she wants to go out and like let get freedom from all of that oppression. I think.
Okay. Okay. Interesting.
It might be a mental issue because she is economically doing well and she is physically well also, well built.
So according to me, I guess someone from her family just left and they aren't coming back. They just went for a long time.
And what happens after all of this has happened already?
She'll try to get stronger and get back to her work, or maybe she'll like recover of that, or she will like be totally depressed about that. I think.
Okay. Cool. Or the option is quite dark. Okay.
ये एक पिक्चर है.
इस सेकंड में आपको ये So, आपके हिसाब से what is happening in the picture?
इसमें एक लड़का और एक लड़की, हाँ, बहुत ही क्लोज है, मतलब एक दूसरे हक करे. पीछे उनकी मदर बैठी है, अपने बच्चे को खिला रही है.
रिलेशन क्या है लड़के?
इनका रिलेशन ज्यादा क्लोज है, लव वगैरह.
ओके. ठीक है. ठीक है. हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकते हैं?
हाँ, हस्बैंड वाइफ हो सकते हैं,
ठीक है.
गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड भी हो सकते हैं.
ठीक है. तो ये हो क्या रहा है सिचुएशन में?
सिचुएशन ये इसको रोक रही है, ये कहीं जाने के लिए है, शायद कोई इसको रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है वगैरह.
ठीक है. सो ये कहाँ जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है आपके हिसाब से?
हाँ, शायद कहीं इसको हर्ट कर रहा है.
और क्यों ये पूरी सिचुएशन यहाँ से यहाँ तक आई कैसे?
इनके बीच थोड़ा मोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ होगा ये तो.
ठीक है. इस वजह से
हाँ, कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग भी हो सकती है.
मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके. डिटेल में थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे कैसे मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग?
नो नो नो.
एक आइडिया, प्रोबेबल रीजन बस.
लड़की ने कुछ गलत सोच लिया होगा, मतलब ये बाहर क्यों जा रहा है.
अच्छा. ओके. लड़की शक कर रही है, थोड़ी शक की नेचर की है. ठीक है. और फिर फ्यूचर में इसके बाद ये सब होने के बाद फिर क्या हुआ?
इसके बाद क्या होगा, मतलब ये लड़के को मनाने की कोशिश करेगी.
ठीक है.
बाहर जाने के लिए रोकना चाहेगी.
ठीक है. ठीक है. तो एंड में क्या होगा फिर? सिचुएशन रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी या नहीं होगी?
एंड में पीछे शायद माँ बैठी है उसकी, वो इनको रोकने की कोशिश करेगी, मतलब तो फिर ये रुकेगी.
ठीक. ठीक. ठीक है. वो ऑफिसर लाइक क्वालिटीज के बेसिस पे सिलेक्शन होता है ना? कुछ होती है एंटी ओवल क्यूज, ये ऑफिसर में क्वालिटीज जो नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो कई बार क्या होता है ना, कुछ इमेजेस साइकोलॉजिस्ट वैसी एंटी ओवल क्यूज को बाहर निकालने के लिए वो करता है. ठीक है. कि जैसे कि ये हो गया, आपको किसी चीज का रिग्रेट है, किसी चीज का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, कुछ आपको गिल्टी फील होता है किसी चीज के बारे में. ठीक है. किसी चीज से आपका मन नहीं लगता, कुछ नहीं होता, ये उस टाइप डिप्रेशन की फीलिंग. ठीक है. ये सारी चीजें निकालने के लिए कई बार कुछ इमेज बनाई जाती है. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली आपको ट्रिक कर रहे थे, तो आप ट्रिक में फंस गए. ठीक है, तो आप फंस गए। जैसे मतलब अगर मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ आइडिया बता दूं कि मान लो इसकी तबीयत खराब थी या ठीक है किसी की माँ की तबीयत खराब थी और वो जल्दी जल्दी में दवाई लेने जा रहा था, तो वाइफ ने रोका, बोला कि ध्यान से जाना, आराम से जाना, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है। तो थोड़ा सा ना एक आप पॉजिटिव साइड पे देखने की कोशिश करेंगे अगर ना, हाँ, तो ज्यादा सही रहेगा, है ना। तो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है। सो हियर्स द पिक्चर।
Something is happening there, so the person is seeing what is happening.
So what according to you is happening in the situation? What is it?
A few inches later.
Some kind of activity, some kind of action.
Activity like something has maybe fallen down. So she's seeing.
Someone fell down. Okay,
Yeah.
interesting. All right. And who is she? Who fell down and how is she related to me?
Just a person in the home.
Maybe mother, sister,
Mother.
auntie, what? ठीक है. So ये सब होने के बाद फिर उसके बाद what will happen in the future?
If she has seen someone has fallen down, she'll go help them. Whoever.
So it ends on a positive note.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So I'll tell you, perception is okay. If you ever prepare for the SSB, so there are some officer-like qualities. Okay, these are called OLQs. There are some anti-OLQs also, such as guilt, remorse, depression, okay, regret, this and that. Fine. So this image was basic idea is whenever anyone sees the picture, okay, so they tend to describe, they project their part of personality. कि सैड है तो इसलिए सैड होगा, तो जो रीजन होगा ना वो इंसान अपना देता है, अपनी लाइफ से देता है मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। सो दिस इज व्हाट इट ट्राइज टू गेट आउट ऑफ यू, एंड इफ यू अपीयर बिकॉज दे वांट टू नो यू बेटर, है ना, तो वो आपकी लाइफ के इंस्टेंसेस निकालना चाहते हैं, दैट इज हाउ इट गोस, ठीक है। आई थिंक यू डिड वेल बिकॉज अदर पीपल आर सेइंग कि फैमिली में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, फैमिली में लड़ाई चल रही है, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है, व्हिच इज नॉट अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स, क्योंकि
She's one person.
person to person, exactly, ठीक है। So this was a short experiment. I'll tell you briefly about myself and what we do. So we are Road to Recommendation. I'm Shashank. हमारा YouTube चैनल है, हमारा Telegram चैनल है और Instagram पे है. So essentially what we do, I'm a psychologist.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great.
Yeah.
I
So
was
hence
originally
the
going to pursue psychology
You
myself,
were?
yeah. But then I turned
Really
to arts.
interesting stuff.
Yeah.
And I help out people with preparation with regards to preparation for SSB interview, and it's probably the toughest interview all over the world. Selection rate is less than 1%, right? You are eligible for NDA, right? So NDA is National Defense Academy. You get you should apply for it. If you have a good perception, you should try for it. An officer in the armed forces, Air Force, Navy, and Army, right? So in Army you become a lieutenant. In Air Force, you become a flying officer, and in Navy, you become a sub-lieutenant. Yeah, there is a training period associated, and the training period is of 4 years. NDA में, ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर आप you will be becoming an officer. The perks and privileges are huge, right? So it's more about serving the nation if you have that inclination, right? And you can subscribe to our channel, Road to Recommendation. We provide assistance regarding the psychological interview. It's a 5-day process, right? So a lot of personality testing is going on, right? So it's in fact the toughest interview in all across India, right? So that is what we basically teach, right? So that's how we're conducting it. Thanks a lot, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel also.
Okay, sure.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, with that, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.